am going to discuss center of mass nana Planck's concept. Okay, Planck's concept nana. Here I take one Planck nana. Planck overall uniform rod. Okay, this uniform rod length is given L nana, mass is given M. Once again I repeat now, let us consider a Planck's concept nana. Here I take Planck nana, each Planck mass L nana, each Planck length nana L. Okay, look here now. In the situation, the question is, this is the Planck nana. This Planck length is what nana? L. Same mass, same length of the Planck is placed above this Planck. Once again I repeat, another Planck is placed above this Planck. But this Planck is put maximum outside, but this Planck does not fall. That is the agenda. Once again I repeat, this Planck, okay, another Planck, maximum put outside but does not fall. Here the chapter name is center of mass. Center of mass means total mass, total body balancing. Center of mass to control the motion of the body. Okay, or to control the motion of the body and balance the body. Okay, here another Planck up to center of mass of the first rod is placed, because center of mass to balance the body అంటే సెకండ్ ప్లాంక్ ని అప్ టు ఎక్కడ దాకా పెట్టొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్. నానా దిస్ లెంత్ ఎంత L, దిస్ లెంత్ ఎంత L, ఎడ్జ్ టు సెంటర్ దిస్ లెంత్ ఈజ్ L/2. అంటే బయటికి అవుట్ సైడ్ టు ప్రొజెక్ట్ హౌ మచ్ నానా L/2. ఓకే నానా అనదర్ ప్లాంక్ నానా, అనదర్ ప్లాంక్ ఈజ్ ప్లేస్డ్. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్, ఇది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్ ప్లాంక్, ఇది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంక్. ఈ రెండింటి కామన్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? సెంటర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కామన్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ బ్లాక్ అండ్ సెకండ్ బ్లాక్. అప్ టు హియర్ థర్డ్ బ్లాక్ ఈజ్ ప్లేస్. Simply here to here length is L/4. Simply its outside is L/4. Look here, the first black outside at the bottom L/2, second black outside at the bottom L/2. In this situation these blacks does not fall to the floor. మరి మీరే చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడు నానా ఇది C12, దీన్ని ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో ఉంటుంది, ఈ కామన్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఈసారి ఎంత అవుట్ సైడ్ పెట్టచ్చో మీరు ఎగ్జ్యూమ్ చేస్తారా? ఇక చేయొద్దులే, ఇక డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేద్దాం, టైం అయిపోతుంది. L/6. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లాంక్ L/8. ఫస్ట్ ప్లాంక్ నాన్న L/2, జస్ట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ టు బ్యాలెన్స్ ద ప్లాంక్, నాట్ ఫాల్ టు ద ఫ్లోర్. సెకండ్ ప్లాంక్ L/4. Third plank L/6. This is the extension of the planks. One of the year NEET 2001 లో this total length is how much అన్న? This extension length is how much? యాడ్ చేస్తారా? extension here to here ask. Here to here how much? L/2 plus here to here L/4, here to here L/6. Okay na? In the situation whole by What is the LCM? What is the LCM? Here 2, 4, 6. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes. Simply 12 is the LCM. Here 6L. Look here now. Here 3L because 2 6, 4 threes, 6 twos. What is the final answer? 11L by 12. This is the maximum outside length of the all planks, of the all given planks. Look here, all of it. In the situation, Nana, this is the tower, Nana. All of you look here. Tower. Tower height is H. Okay, Nana? H is height of the tower. H is height of the tower, Nana. Here, small h of the capital H, height of the tower. Here, one body taken. That body mass is small m. Okay? It is dropped. Dropped means u becomes 0. I take dropped and it moving downward or upward? Downward. Another body, look here, thrown vertically upward. Here how many bodies are there? 2 bodies. This is the first body, mass is small m, that is dropped. Second body, mass is capital M, its velocity is u, thrown vertically upward. Once again I repeat, tower. Top of the tower, 2 bodies are simultaneously projected. One is dropping, its meaning is downward. Other one is throwing upward with velocity is u. In the situation, HCM can be calculated. Height of the center of mass from ground. This is the question. In the situation, we know that vertical projection, motion along a straight line. Maximum height formula is body thrown vertically upward. Maximum height formula is Chapalana Emotundi u square by 2g. This is the maximum height formula for vertical projection. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ h రావాలి అంటే ఏదో కనుక్కోవాలి u. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ డిటర్మైన్ UCM. Here how many bodies are there? 2 bodies. We know that M1 U1 2 bodies are there plus M2 U2 whole by M1 plus M2. Okay, this is the UCM. In the situation, here first body small m, its velocity 0 because first body is dropped. Second body mass is capital M. That body throwing a velocity u vertically upward. Its direction is j cap. Direction lab by na whole by total mass small m plus capital M. This is UCM. Here UCM equal to capital M U by capital M plus small m. This is the UCM. Our agenda is on vertical position projection. HCM is determined. What is the HCM formula? U square CM by 2g. In the situation 1 by 2g, okay, What is the u square cm? Tell me Nana. M u by capital M plus small m. This is UCM whole square. This is the formula for HCM. Okay? But here HCM ఎక్కడి నుంచి అడిగాడు? ఫ్రమ్ గ్రౌండ్. గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి అంటే ఇక్కడి నుంచి. ఇప్పుడు బాడీ ఇక్కడ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఉంది అనుకుందాం ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇక్కడ ఉందని మీకు ఎలా తెలుసు? యూసీఎం దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అయింది? సెకండ్ బాడీ. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ బాడీ జీరో అండ్ ఎనీథింగ్ జీరో. హియర్ సెకండ్ బాడీ థ్రోన్ వర్టికల్లీ అప్వర్డ్, సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ రైజెస్ అప్వర్డ్. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇది ఏమైంది? హెచ్సిఎం ఏమైంది? హెచ్సిఎం అయింది. బట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ హెచ్ డాష్ సిఎం ఫ్రమ్ గ్రౌండ్. ఫ్రమ్ గ్రౌండ్ అంటే దిస్ ఆల్సో యాడ్. This is tower height. What is the tower height? H. From the ground and H plus. Tell me Nana. HCM. Here H is height of the tower. Already HCM. HCM is 1 by 2G. Look here all of you. M U whole by M plus M whole square. Look here. This is the tower problem, important part. Page number 318. Very important question. Question number 39. Question number 39 Nana. Very important. This is the tower Nana. Look here all of you. Here tower height is given 20 meters. In the previous concept I take tower height denoted by capital H. This is the ground. In the situation two particles are there. First particle mass is m, second particle mass also m. First particle mass is m, second particle mass also m. Speeds also same, but one is projected vertically upward, other one projected horizontally. Its speed is 20, its speed also 20. Okay, here in the situation maximum height attained by center of mass, maximum height attained by center of mass from ground, that is the question. In the situation this is not a vertical projection. One body is horizontal, other body is vertical. Because of resultant passing between. Here that means xy plane. Xy plane means this is the projectile. Maximum height of the projectile is u square sin square theta by 2g. Maximum height of the projectile is u square sin square theta by 2g. In the situation, look here. First to determine UCM. What is the formula for velocity of center of mass? Two bodies are given. M1 U1 bar plus M2 U2 bar whole by M1 plus M2. Okay, Nana? Here, in the situation, first body mass is M. Velocity is 20. But the first body moving along x-axis. Simply I cap. Second body mass also m, speed also u, but it moving along y axis. Y axis unit vector is j cap. Total mass m plus m 2m, m cancel. In the situation, what is the UCM formula? 10 I cap plus 10 j cap. this is the formula for UCM. In the situation, this is the formula for UCM. In the situation, find HCM Nana first. Nana, this is XY plane. XY plane means not a vertical projection. This is a projectile. Projectile, motion along a plane, maximum height formula, u square sin square theta by 2g. On the situation, time of flight formula, 2u sin theta by g. What is the formula for range? U square sin 2 theta by g. Keep all formulas in your mind. Here, UCM, here magnitude determine, both sides I apply modulus. UCM bar. Finally, we get UCM under root. Look here. I coefficient square plus j coefficient square. 100 plus 100, 200. Root 200 right, 10 root 2. Here substitute. లేకపోతే root 200 రాయండి, మనకి పోయిందే ఉంది. 100 plus 100, root 200. This is u square. Root cancel 200 into 1 is x-axis, other one is y-axis. Resultant passing between this angle is automatically 45 degrees because same mass, same speed, same mass, same speed. Okay, that's why just between theta 45, sin 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by 2, whole by 2 into, what is the g value? 10. Here 0, 0 cancel. 20 by 4, 20 by 4 write as 5. 20 by 4 write as 5. HCM is 5. In the situation, look here all of you. HCM is, tell me what is the HCM value? 5. And for example, center of mass ikkada unte HCM already determined. But the question is from ground annadu. From ground annappudu this also will be right. What is the total? H plus HCM. The H value is given 20. HCM value is given 5. 20 plus 25, 25 from ground. From ground. Model Nana, not a regular problem. Look here. First read question properly. 4 identical particles. 4 identical particles. Each mass 1 kg are arranged at the corners of a square of side length 2 root 2 meters. Once again I repeat. 4 identical particles, each of mass 1 kg, are arranged at the corners of the square of side length is given. Here square, all sides have same. Here m, here m, here m, here m. Each mass taken 1 kg. In the situation, one of the particle is removed. One of the particle is removed. Find shift in center of mass. Model జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి బంగారు కొండలు. Look here. One of the particle is removed. For example, this mass is removed. Okay, this mass is removed. Other mass is fixed. This mass is removed. Opposite corner mass is fixed. Remaining all masses shift to center. We assume. Look here. Which of the mass is removed? That opposite corner is fixed. Remaining all masses just shifted in center. This mass m, this mass m. Finally we get 2m. Okay? Here one line is drawn. This line I assumed as a x-axis. On the How many particles are there? This is the first particle. This is the second particle. First particle name 2m. Second particle name m. First particle on the origin. x1 means distance from first particle to origin. Simply x1 value 0 because particle and origin coincide. x2 value is distance of origin to second particle. Here to here. Side length L, center to any corner, this distance is L by root 2. Center to any corner, L by root 2. That's why here write L by root 2. The question is to determine the center of mass. What is the formula for axiom? Tell me fast. m1 x1 plus m2 x2 whole by m1 plus m2. In the situation x1 is 0, 0 into anything 0 plus m2 is m, x2 is L by root 2 whole by total mass 2m plus m 3m, m cancel. Finally we get xm is L by root 2 into 3, but L value is given in the question 2 root 2 by root 2 into 3, root 2 cancel. Finally we get 2 by 3. Write down. Same model, another problem I explain. Please look at problem number 40. The question is Nana, 6 identical particles. This is the regular hexagon Nana. Hexagon, 6 sides are there. In the regular hexagon, mass placed at the corner of the hexagon. Look here. In the situation, side length also given. A. Okay. Mass of the one of the particle is doubled. Okay. Shift in center of mass. The question is, in the previous question is, one of the mass is removed. Here, one of the mass is double. For example, m becomes 2m. Which mass is double? That opposite corner is fixed. And 2m ikkade undali, m ikkade undali. Remaining all masses shifted center. M. All masses shift to center. This is our agenda. Okay, look here. All are lying on the one axis. All particles on one axis. I assume this is the axiom. This can be considered as a origin. In the situation, m1 is 4m, corresponding x1. Next will be calculate. m2 is 2m, corresponding coordinate x2. m3 is m, corresponding coordinate is x3. Center to any corner A, because side length A, center to any corner also A. Center to any corner A. Here x1, 4m on the origin. x1 means origin to first body, distance between origin to first body. First body on the origin, so no distance, x1 is 0. x2 is origin to second body. What happens? A. x3 is origin to third body. But according to mathematics, origin above positive, origin below negative. గుర్తుందా మీకు? ఇది ఆరిజిన్ అయితే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నెగటివ్, రైట్ సైడ్ పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి x3 is right as -a. In the situation to determine XCM formula is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 whole by what is the total mass? m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, in the right side look here, 0 into anything 0, m2 x2 right as 2m into a, m3 x3, m3 is m, x3 is minus a. Total mass is 4m, 2m, m. మొత్తం ఎంత? 7m. Here 2ma minus ma whole by 7m. m cancel. Finally we get a by 7. Okay? నన్ను మీకు కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఉంటుంది. హెక్సాగన్, ట్రయాంగిల్, లెన్స్ ఎలా సార్ అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా ఇస్తాను, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఏ ఏ ఏ యాంగిల్ ఎంత? 60. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెంటరాయిడ్. సెంటరాయిడ్ టు ఎనీ కార్నర్ ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది? a by √3 ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది మేము. సెంటరాయిడ్ టు ఎనీ కార్నర్ a by √3. సెంటరాయిడ్ టు ఎనీ కార్నర్ a by √3. For example, this is the square side length a. In the situation, center to any corner a by √2. 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 Next I take hexagon. Here also side length a. In the situation here, center to any corner a. Center to any corner a. Simply here which triangle form? Equilateral triangle form. Simply ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 60 60 60. Okay nana, center to any corner in the hexagon is a. These all points keep in your mind.